Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am kicking off the video. We are in Alfaz del Pi, a beautiful residential town located close to Altea and also to Benidorm. This peaceful residential area offers beautiful natural landscapes of the mountains but also overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Today I'm going to be showing you a classic Mediterranean villa. This is a family home on a stunning plot of 1,007 square meters. The home itself is 261 square meters, offering 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and distributed on 1 floor, with a touch of Scandinavian influence and in a beautiful setting. I can't wait to show you, so let's start the tour. So let's talk about Alfaz del Pi and this residential area of Belmonte. It is very peaceful, it is very quiet, it is very popular with Norwegian, British and Dutch residents, mostly families that are all usually mostly working or retired. This is a fantastic place if you're loving the province of Alicante, as you are also overlooking those beautiful shores of the Costa Blanca. So if you do like this spot where we get fantastic weather, climate all year round, and you like the peace and serenity of everything, but to be close to all the vibrance of the other neighbouring towns and cities, then you have it all here in Alfaz. This would be the entrance to the very property that we're going to have a look at today. As I come in through the front door, this entrance is what you will feel immediately a wide and open entryway. This is a great entry hall, which also is like a mud room, giving you, as you enter, these wonderful wardrobes that store all of your personal items. And next to the door for convenience, you also have your intercom and your alarm system. So as you come into the main area of the home, you'll find that the entry leads to the open plan living, dining and kitchen space. You can see that the interior design is light with pastel colours throughout and gives you those modern touches despite it also being within a classical design. You will see archways in some of the rooms, but what I do love is that the space is seamless and does very much so feel like a family home. So where I'm stood right now is the lounge area. Altogether the space, which includes the living room, dining room and kitchen, is 80 square meters. This space is lovely in the sense that you have this curve of the space, but you also have windows that give you pockets of light as well as giving you views of the gardens. So with this spacious, lovely setting that is your living room, it leads really nicely towards the dining space. This dining table is a dining table, as you can see, that is quite large. It is set to dine 8, as it is a family that live here, and you can see that it has a lighting feature above. The space also has, as you can see, plenty of areas there for storage. You also have here your sliding patio doors that lead directly out onto a gorgeous, sunny, wonderful terrace. This roofed space that you can see as the terrace is great for outdoor lounging and also for outdoor dining. It automatically overlooks the rectangular swimming pool, which is 10 by 5, and as you can see, you have spellbinding views of the surrounding landscape, the mountains, the Mediterranean Sea, but also you feel the peace. This is a great space for a family to entertain in those lovely months of the year, which is pretty much all year. So I'm now taking you around the dining spaceway, and it leads really nicely to your open kitchen. The kitchen has an interior colour design of white and grey, giving it a very soft feel as you enter. You have a central island that is rather large, giving you plenty of countertop space, but also giving you great storage cabinetry underneath. I do feel that this is a kitchen that is designed for those that do like to cook. You have also cabinetry as well as your kitchen appliances really nicely surrounding the central island of the kitchen. So on this side it features your oven and your microwave, also there with a nook for your coffee machine. On this side you have your double refrigerator. You also have your cooking hob with your extractor. Overlooking the gardens to the rear, you also have your kitchen sink and your dishwasher. There's a convenient, wonderful door that leads to another terrace that I'm going to show you shortly. But now we're going into the laundry and utility room. The laundry and utility room are also well equipped. You have integrated wardrobes for storage, the kitchen sink, kind of similar feel here, but you also have your washing machine and your tumble dryer. It also leads to a door that opens onto another small terrace that you could use for any motive you feel like, but it also gives you the rear entryway that you would access from your drive to your home. So if you can imagine, you've got your shopping, you can come in this way, and you can see as well on this side you have a great, lovely, low maintenance driveway and garden. As all of the living quarters are distributed over one floor, I'm now going to show you where the bedroom quarters is. So we would go through this own separate hallway, and it will directly take you to the first two bedrooms in this hall. You have there an integrated wardrobe and a door that leads to the first bedroom. This is light and bright. You have two windows in this room, giving it great views and also plenty of illumination. And the bedroom is 10 square meters. Coming into the second bedroom, you also have a similar feel. You also have your integrated wardrobes, a nice light blank canvas to put whatever stamp of unique touches you would like on it. But then you both share together a really spacious his and her and her, or his and his bathroom that is fully equipped and light also. So the specifications of the home are also really quite high. As the home was built in 1997 but renovated in 2023, it does have modern specifications like your underfloor heating throughout. Taking you along this hall now into the third bedroom. This bedroom is again light, bright and white. It is 13 square meters. You have on one side a window that gives you views of your gardens, and then you also have a fully equipped ensuite bathroom. So with the underfloor heating that actually runs through the home, you will find that you can actually change the settings and have it so it's switched off in some rooms and not in others. In this hall you also have your guest bathroom, which is fully equipped. And I do like this hallway because it feels like a wide hallway, so they've even put a sofa there. And then we are now coming into the primary bedroom. This bedroom is 18 square meters with a window on one side giving you views of your gardens. You also have a wall of integrated wardrobes and then a door that leads to your own ensuite bathroom, which again is fully equipped. Taking you from the kitchen, there is a door that takes you also to a rear terrace. This roofed rear terrace is a fantastic spot for soaking up the wonderful climate that we experience and also just enjoying the peace and serenity of being outdoors. As you can see, it has got a roof that gives it shade, but I can definitely imagine sitting here and enjoying those days in winter where you get the sunshine on your head and it's a little bit fresh, but you can still eat outdoors. As you can see, the gardens and the terraces are minimal maintenance, but are bordered with beautiful trees. You have fruit trees, but you also have pine trees and conifers too. Here on this side, you can see that this is a storage room, which is handy to have at the exterior of the home. But then along your stone pathway, we're going to come along this area, which is the back driveway. This is the door that takes you from your laundry and utility room. I can see the border here of more fruit trees going towards these pine trees. And now I'm going down the drive towards where you will find the lower floor garage. So the garage is underneath the home, and I dare say that's what gives the home its second level, but that's the only room that's actually there. What's great about it is it can be accessed directly from the front of the home through the automatic gates, gives you really easy entry, and is actually rather spacious on the inside. So they have a fully equipped garage here that, as you can see, accommodates not just one vehicle, but realistically you could accommodate more. Offering over 100 square metres of space. You have also a great space here if you're wanting to store all of your mechanical items and even home items, with a separate little office annex as well there, which also can store even more things. You can see above us that there's lots of pipes and cables and all kinds, and that's because, as I said, the house has actually been recently renovated, so you have brand new plumbing, electricity, heating, lighting, etc. But it shows you all the technical bits that actually keep the home running very smoothly. What I do like about coming back out here into the expanse of the gardens and the driveway is that you also find that the gardens do surround the home. So let's say you wanted to directly access the upper level where the swimming pool is. This is a stairwell that will also lead to that, as well as your front door. But you also have here a sloped pathway to find another route as well if you like it. This is Raco de Albir, just 7 minutes drive away from the villa that we showed you. A very popular beach, as it is a pebble beach. This beach is beautiful in the sense that it gives you not only the expanse of the Mediterranean Sea, it also gives you a really nice promenade to walk around and spend your time. This promenade is wide, it has the stars, and it also has restaurants, cafes, and all different points of interest. So, while away your time, walk along the promenade, keep on walking along the beach, and eventually find your way to Altea. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €1,000 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €180 per year. This is a really peaceful, serene, and really well looked after, fantastic Mediterranean and yet modern family villa. Located in a great area, Alfaz del Pi offers fantastic facilities for all. It is a prestigious area in an urbanisation called Belmonte, overlooking, as you saw, gorgeous landscapes, but everything within close proximity. This particular residential area is popular with Norwegian expatriates, as well as the British and the Dutch, so you will find that there are plenty of English speakers within walking distance, as well as great on-hand facilities like supermarkets, pharmacies, schools, and much more. What else can I say about the property? It actually was built, constructed in 1997, but as you can see, in 2023 had a great renovation. So you will find that the plumbing, the electricity, the specifications are all up to date and fully functioning. If you would like to know more and you do like the listing, then please go to our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It was lovely to see you again, and I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.